Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ryan. So in today's video, I'm on my way to Jamaica. I thought I'd give you guys a tour, taking you guys on a tour with me today from in the sky, showing you guys a bit of Toronto, Canada, and a bit of Jamaica as we go along. So I'm heading to Jamaica today to do a bit of vinyl plank. So in today's video, we're going to level the floor, prepare for the plank, and the installation of the vinyl plank going to come up in part 2 of this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys around my house in Jamaica a bit of I'm going to give you guys a bit of tour of the way how we do it in Jamaica and the way how we mix concrete down there as well. So it's going to be a fun one, guys. So lay back, relax, and watch the video. Enjoy. Just over Portmore. Right now we're flying over Kingston. We're headed towards the airport right now. Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are out here in Jamaica. In today's video, we're gonna level the floor. We're here to install some vinyl planks. So we're gonna level the floor as this. So this is my home in Jamaica, guys. I'm just here to do a bit of work. This is the fireplace. I still gotta throw in the electrical fireplace. Here is the bar. But I'll give you guys a full video, full tour later on, so subscribe for that. So this is what we have here to do today, guys. As you see here, I set up my squeal. So this is my template that I'm setting up. We're gonna level the floor, then we're gonna install some vinyl planks here. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. So when I upload a video for the vinyl plank and the video where I show you guys a tour of my house in Jamaica. We're gonna go through every area and show you guys what it looks like. So subscribe, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So guys, as you see here, I have a fish line. This is a fish line that I'm using. The reason for this, if you're using a fish line to catch the template for concrete, it's preferable to use a fish line. And the reason for that, it won't sink when the water with it. Guys, what I'm doing now, we're trying to catch the level to the closest point as we can. So we just want to basically try to see. Here I don't have, out here in Jamaica, we need a line level. So we just have to try and get it from the top. So right there is where it's level right now. But here we're gonna wet our surface first before we start our So that's my brother in Jamaica here. This is how we mix concrete out here in Jamaica, guys. So my boy is basically the machine. That's how we do it here. Okay, that's it. We still have a whole bunch more over there that we still have to mix. So that's basically how we do it. So guys, this is the way how I test my concrete to know whether or not it want more cement into it. Because here we don't mix it like in Canada where it's 3, 4, 5 method, or you know, here we basically free on it. So you have to basically throw sand and cement and then you keep mixing it. So this, the way how you test it like that is to look at the color. So if it's red, that means it's telling you that it's poor. You need to add more cement to it. And if it's green, you have to know. So you're looking for more like a green color than a red color. If it's red, you need to add more cement to it. So basically that's how you know if the material is poor. That's how we do it. If you have another way of doing it, leave a comment down in the video there and maybe one of us may learn from it. And I have my master column. This is from way back when as well. So here guys, here in Jamaica it's $3,000 per day. So that's like 30 Canadian. That's the cost per labor per day here. They don't do it by hour like back home in Canada. Here they do it per day. So yeah. So guys, I'm here waiting for more material. Might as well give you guys a tour of the outside. Guys, out here in Jamaica, it's not as easy as all over the world. You guys have the opportunity to hard the concrete or use a mixer. Here we do it by hand. And we build a lot of houses. So I give you guys a sneak peek of what's gonna come up on the tour while we're waiting for the cement. So this is the house right now. I'm currently doing the stucco on the outside. We call it shower lawn down here.
You guys probably know it as stucco. This is the outside section. Yeah, so that's right now is the priming. Here we prime the wall first before we apply our shower lawn / stucco. So I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek of the outside while we're waiting for more concrete to mix, because it don't mix as fast as how we will get it over there. After mix, we mix and we go. Trying to get the right color here because the sun is in the shade. It's a brown and it's a light orange color I go with here. I'm gonna show you guys the next side. And this is the front section. So this is the side section, guys. Yeah. You have a lot more coming up in the tour, so I'm just giving you guys a look right now of how it looks. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Let's dive right back into the video. So guys, what I just did, I used some water and I sprayed some water over it, and then I rubbed my float over it again, just trying to get off all the existing mortar that's on top, because we want to get it as level as possible so that we can we don't have any bumps in the way when we're installing our vinyl planks. So should be good now. Over there is where I'm just gonna fill this in right now. I use a 3:2. The thickness of this mortar is 2 inches thick. I'm just basically leveling it. So I'm just trying to get the level. So there you have it, guys. So this is the finishing product. Try to polish it as much as possible as I can with the magnesium trowel. Try to That's it for now, guys. Hope you learned something from this video where I prepare for my vinyl plank. If you get value from the video, go ahead and give it a like and share it with your friends. They may see and learn something from it as well. And subscribe for the latest and greatest video. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next one.